Welcome back to 3-Minute Motivation. How would you like to skyrocket your productivity, crush your to-do list and finally beat procrastination? Well, today we're going to look at one of the simplest yet most powerful time management techniques there is, the Pomodoro Technique. This is a very simple tool to give you a laser focus on the task at hand and boost your productivity in no time at all. First of all, I'm going to tell you what it is, what the basic principles are, and then I'll go on to explain how to get the best results from it. So why the fancy name? The Pomodoro Technique was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, and it's named after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that he used while he studied at university. The idea is simple: work in focused bursts of time followed by short breaks. But this technique isn't just about timing yourself, it's about creating a structure that helps you focus, reduces burnout and keeps you motivated throughout the day. So how does it work? Here's the basic rundown. Step number 1, choose a task and start by picking a task you want to get done. It could be studying, writing, coding, or even cleaning up your workspace. The key is to make it specific. Step 2, set a timer for 25 minutes. This is your Pomodoro. During this time you focus solely on your task, no distractions, no multitasking, just pure concentrated work. Step 3, work until the timer goes off. If you think of something unrelated to the current activity, jot it down quickly and get back to the task in hand. The goal is to stay in the zone. Step 4, take a short break. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Stretch, grab a coffee or do something relaxing. This short break helps reset your brain so you're ready for the next round. Step number 5, repeat, then take longer breaks. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This extended break gives your brain a chance to recharge before you dive into the next cycle. So why does the Pomodoro Technique work? You might be thinking, it's just a timer, how can it help? The beauty of the Pomodoro Technique is its simplicity, and here's why it works. First, it combats procrastination. Setting a timer makes your work feel like a game. It turns large, overwhelming tasks into small, manageable chunks, making it easier to get started. Secondly, it enhances focus and flow. By dedicating 25 minutes of uninterrupted time to a single task, you enter a state of deep work where distractions fade away. And thirdly, it prevents burnout. The scheduled breaks give your mind the rest it needs to stay sharp. It's like interval training for your brain. Right, now that you know how it works, here are some tips to get the most out of each Pomodoro. Number 1, eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone, close unnecessary tabs, and just create a dedicated workspace that signals to your brain it's time to focus. Tip number 2, use a dedicated Pomodoro app. There's plenty of apps out there like Focus Keeper, Pomodoro, or just use the timer on your phone. These apps can keep track of your Pomodoros, breaks, and provide visual feedback on your progress. Tip number 3, plan your Pomodoros in advance. At the start of your day, write down the tasks you want to tackle and estimate how many Pomodoros each of those will take. This will give you a realistic view of what you can achieve and help you to prioritize your work for the day. Tip number 4, adjust the timing to fit your needs. While 25 minutes is the traditional time, you can adjust the time to fit your focus levels. If you find yourself getting into the flow, extend it to 30-40 minutes. The goal is to find a rhythm that works for you. Now you have a clear picture of what it is, how it works and how to maximize the benefits. Are you ready to give it a try? Here's a quick challenge for you. Pick one task you've been putting off, set a timer for 25 minutes and just start. You'll be amazed at how much you can get done in such a short burst of focused effort. So whether you're studying for an exam, working on a project or just trying to stay productive at home, the Pomodoro Technique can be your secret weapon to stay on track. Reduce stress and make every minute count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips and hit that bell for notifications. And let me know in the comments below how the Pomodoro Technique works for you. And let's keep smashing those goals together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.